Kanye did it again. Released yet another collection. This time it's going to be the collection for his upcoming album called Bully. I picked up 4 different shirts, 2 different styles. I'm going to talk to you guys through the fit, the quality, and if it's worth your money. So let's jump into it. So as I mentioned, I did get 2 different styles of t-shirts. Kanye released a more slim fit version as well as an oversized long sleeve. Now me personally, I wasn't a big fan of the bottoms or the pants that were released in the collection, so I did go ahead and stick to 2 simple t-shirts. One, a slimmer version. First up, a slim t-shirt with a simple graphic on the front and is more of a slim fit. I obviously already opened the packaging, but the second style of tee I got is a long sleeve, boxy, oversized fit. It fits more comfortable, loose, and it does have a cropped fit. So it's not an extremely long t-shirt. I think the proportions on this t-shirt are perfect. So this is gonna be the slim fit version. Now when it comes to branding, there's really not much to it besides simple graphic on the front for the upcoming album Bully. There's no size on the t-shirt, there's no tags, literally nothing. It's a super simple t-shirt. Both the oversized tee and the slim fit tee. The size I'm going to be showing in today's video for all the pieces is going to be a size 2, which on the website translates to a medium to large. There's either a size 1, 2, or 3. Size 1 is small to medium. Size 2, which is the one I got, is a medium to large. And then size 3 is a large to XL. I don't believe there's anything above that. But enough talking, let me show you guys the t-shirts. First up, we have this white slim fit tee with the graphic Bully on the front in black bold lettering. Personally, I'm a big fan of this. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It does have a thick collar line. Now, to be completely honest, for these slim fit tees, I picture myself wearing them more through the summer just because it's a breathable material. It's not too thick, which to be honest, I don't really mind. That's gonna be the first one. I did get that one in a black colorway as well with a white bold graphic. I personally like the black one better, I believe. Pretty straightforward tee though. One of my favorite things about the slim fit tee is the sleeves. They're kind of a little higher than normal and they are also a little tighter around the arm, so it can enhance your physique when you're wearing it. Now I'll move on and show you guys the oversized tee. I like the silhouette on this one a lot more just because personally, me and my personal style right now is a lot more oversized boxy fits, and this one fits exactly what I want. So you guys can tell we do have a thick collar, oversized long sleeve shirt as I mentioned before, and there is one simple graphic. There's no tags, there's nothing on the shirt except one simple graphic right in the middle, and that's the Bully cover album from my understanding. Is it the best graphic? To be honest, no. Just because, I don't know, me personally, and I don't know how you guys feel about this, but as you guys can tell, and actually it'll be easier to show you guys on the white one, you guys can probably see there. You see these harsh border lines, the square around the graphic? I'm not a huge fan of that. And then the graphic itself, I wouldn't say I'm the biggest fan of this graphic. Quality of material, I would say it's good for the price, which is $20 by the way for every piece on the website. Kanye has mentioned that he's going to keep it at that price, and I don't think he'll be changing that. I believe he's coming up with a new collection actually now. When it comes to the oversized t-shirt, the boxy fit, I will say the material is a lot thicker than the slim fit t-shirt. It's more heavyweight, but not so heavy that it's going to be like super hot or uncomfortable. I believe it's the perfect weight for comfort and just cozy vibes. So when it comes to the t-shirt, it does, as I mentioned before, come in a slim fit, so it does hug the body. If you're not a big fan into that, keep that in mind. The sleeves are also a little bit tighter around the arm to emphasize and enhance your physique. And the sleeves also do come up a little higher on your arm to showcase more of that bicep. And once again, just enhance your overall look. Since the material on the slim fit tee is not super thick, this is going to be perfect because it's going to be breathable and versatile as a throw on and just walk out the door piece, especially with the summertime coming up. And you can use it for layering, the standalone piece. It's going to be a super simple design, which will make it easier for you to style, pretty much going with anything you wear. The oversized long sleeve, it's going to be more of a relaxed vibe, and it's going to give you a streetwear silhouette. Now when it comes to the material for the oversized long sleeve, it's complete opposite from the slim fit version. It's not a soft cotton, it's more of it's a little thicker cotton. It's definitely a heavyweight material, but it's a little rougher on the skin compared to the slim fit version. And if I can describe it, it's kind of in the middle between a lightweight material and a super heavyweight material. It's kind of like where I won't get too hot if it's, you know, a super heavyweight material, but I won't be cold or it won't be like super light and see-through. I believe it's the perfect medium for the oversized long sleeve. So my overall thoughts is the slim fit is a little bit more polished, more of a simple, clean look, while the oversized long sleeves are more of a laid-back streetwear vibe. So for those of you guys that like more simple designs and just kind of like a more casual streetwear vibe like me, you would like these pieces. You can just simply throw on the pieces with pretty much anything and just run out the door. Super simple. You don't really have to think too much. Now, me personally, I lean more towards the oversized boxy fit for the long sleeve, just because it's super comfortable and it gives me that classic Kanye aesthetic. Okay, and last but not least, rating the collection. Me personally, I like the design for the slim fit t-shirt. Just super simple, strong, bold graphic on the front. You're not really doing too much, but I don't know about the fit. I'm more of an oversized, boxy kind of guy, so I do like this long sleeve in the way it fits, and the way it drapes on the body, and just how loose and heavyweight the material is. But I'm not a big fan of the graphic on the oversized long sleeve. So to be honest, I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10. Maybe even a 5 out of 10. Now, if Kanye were to put the Bully graphic on the oversized long sleeve, that would be like an 8, 9 for me. Just because once again, it's super simple. It's the aesthetic I like. It's comfortable. It's boxy, oversized. So price for $20, it's not bad. I mean, what can you expect for more than $20, right? So for quality of the product for $20, I would say it's maybe like a 7 out of 10. But the collection itself, and keep in mind, I only got the tops. I didn't get any of the pants or anything like that, or the hoodies. I don't even know if they were hoodies or not. I didn't get any of that. For what I got, I would give it 5, maybe 6 out of 10. But if you just like Kanye and you just like Kanye's simple yet bold designs, then this collection might be for you. For your personal style, what do you prefer? Do you like more slim fit pieces or more oversized boxy pieces? Let me know in the comments below.